Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to take a minute to brag about this amazing safety keychain that I got for my daughter.
Raise your hand if you've got a teenage daughter that is now learning to drive and has a job and you are scared to death. Well, I am that mom. So this safety keychain has really brought my family a lot of peace of mind because it comes with everything that she could need to keep herself safe. So let me tell you about all of these wonderful features. This little key here is actually a knife. It's very easy to open and close. It's very sharp, so she can, open boxes or do whatever she needs to, if you know what I'm talking about there. It is also well equipped with a very loud alarm. I'm not going to set it off because it is ear piercing, but I do like how loud it is. I know that this will get attention if she needs to use it. It also comes with mace, it comes with hand sanitizer, a cute little fluff puff, and a window breaker.
So words can't really express how wonderful this makes me feel, knowing that she has it and that she can fend for herself if she needs to. I absolutely love this. I really think you will too, and that's my point of view.